Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get Canva for free, legally and safely. First up, Canva offers a 30-day trial of Canva Pro. This is the easiest way to try all premium features like background remover, premium templates. Just need to sign up with your email, no credit card required in some regions, but usually you will need to add one. Just as a reminder to cancel before the 30 days, you don't want to get charged. As you can see over here, gonna charge you, so make sure you cancel it before 30 days. Second way, if you are a student or a teacher, you might eligible to get Canva Pro completely for free. You need to go over here and just type canva.com/education. And you'll get to this page. If your school is registered, just sign with your IDO or school email, and boom, you'll get all Canva Pro features for free. Another trick, join a Canva Pro team. If someone you know has a Canva Pro, they can invite you to their team. As a member, you get access to Pro features. Some people online also offer team invites, but be careful and only join people you trust. So the other ways to get free alternatives like Adobe Express, Vista Create, or any other alternatives. That's it. Now you know how to get Canva Pro for free.